name's Emerald, and today I have a little closet video because I feel all over the place and I need some kind of control in my life. I'm gonna take everything from my closet and put it on my bed and sort through everything and use this app called Acloset to hopefully categorize everything because I have quite a small closet right now. I've been pretty good about like decluttering, so I know for the most part I like most of the things in my closet, but I just kind of don't know how to style them. So I'm gonna focus on just becoming reacquainted with everything that I own and then figuring out a system where I can see everything, which is the app, and then probably at the end of this video I'm gonna try and make some outfits with some of the clothes. And I've been getting better about like going on Pinterest and trying to find outfits that like are my personal style, and I really want to recreate some of those because I'm trying to buy less clothes and I have so many clothes. I just don't know how to style them and I should just figure that out. So I'm trying not to just like declutter my closet all the time and then refill it and then still use the same 5 pieces I wear all the time. Like the clothes that I have are perfectly good. I just need to get better at styling them. So if you nosy people want to see everything that I own and me clean out my closet, come along. It will be fun. I fucking love these videos. So I'm gonna start rambling. I mean, I've already started rambling. I'm gonna stop rambling and just get on to it. So here's the state of my closet right now. I don't think it's the worst, it's not the best, and I just want to get everything in there, out of here. So let's get started with that. When I first started, I was trying to kind of organize everything and keep everything in like nice piles on my bed, but that very quickly went to shit and just turned into one massive clothing pile of shame that just kept going and kept going and kept going. And there's me rethinking everything. Okay, so this is a lot. I think the first thing that I'm gonna do is remove all of my workout clothes and pajamas. Those two are taking up a lot of space. So I'm gonna go through that and then I'll check back when I have the actual pieces that I want to try on. Okay, so I got all of my pajamas and my workout clothes into my closet. I think I'm gonna try and organize all of this because I'm very overwhelmed. So I'm gonna kind of fold everything and stack everything so that I can see exactly like how many sweatshirts I have, how many crew necks, how many pants, and then start going from there because this is overwhelming, and anything that immediately I'm not feeling or I know I haven't worn in a while, I'm just gonna take out. So I am gonna start doing that. And there I go, putting things in piles. This really helped me because I was so overwhelmed that I just wanted to sit in a corner. So seeing things in piles and kind of taking an inventory before I go and take photos of everything really helped me actually. So here's where I'm at. These are all pants and shorts. I have tops, dresses, sweatshirts, and then jackets and more tops, and then some sweaters, and then some comfy t-shirts over here. So now that everything was organized, I started taking photos for a closet, and it was actually really nice having everything all grouped together because it made uploading things into the app way easier. I kind of regretted taking photos on my white bedspread, but it wasn't too bad removing the background. I'd do it on somewhere dark and flat next time, but I finished taking photos and now I'm just putting everything back in my closet. So here's everything back in the closet so far. I have all the pants that I want to wear, and then all of my pajamas are back in. So I think I'm gonna take a little bit of time and start filling out the clothes that I just take photos of and start uploading things and getting everything organized. I hope it gives me stats of like, you know, have 35 t-shirts and 17 jackets because I feel like that's also gonna influence my decision of what I'm gonna keep. So I just want to sit down and take a little bit of break. So this app is pretty easy to use, it's just pretty tedious. The AI aspect of it is kind of just the background remover. They claim to use AI to organize and suggest outfits, but I don't really think that that's very true. And it's a pretty simple app. When you upload a piece, it lets you choose a bunch of filters like what kind of color it is, what season you would wear it, and what kind of material it is. The app automatically suggests some of these things for you. That's kind of another quote-unquote AI aspect of it, but it's not the most accurate, and for the most part you're going to be going to each individual piece of clothing and adding all these filters if you want it to be really accurate. I ended up adding just under 100 pieces of clothes, and it really didn't take me that long. It was pretty seamless to do. The only thing I don't like about this app is when you're uploading things, there's a back button and a previous button, and if you click the back button, it takes you to the very beginning of the app and you lose all of the stuff that you worked on. So if you uploaded like 10 shirts and then click the wrong back, all your work is gone. And I did that about 3 times. Alright, so I just uploaded the first like 40 something pieces of clothes, and now I'm gonna go through and keep doing the same thing, taking photos of everything, and the pieces that I for sure love go directly back into my closet, and then the things I'm not sure about styling go to the corner. So yeah, I still have a big old pile of clothes to do. Let's get started on that. It was nice switching between uploading and cleaning, and I feel like having the app made me overall less overwhelmed with this whole clean out. Alright, so I got all of my favorite pieces back into the closet, and now I'm gonna go through these guys. First up, this Obey shirt. Hello, it's day 2. So I spent some time yesterday and took photos of all of those clothes and got them into the Acloset app. And I've just been playing around, and this isn't sponsored in any way. They don't know that I exist. But this app is like actually kind of cool. So I have all of my pieces here, and I get to go and just like make outfits and stuff. So everything that's in the closet so far are like pieces I know how to style, I love, I adore them. Those aren't the issue. It's those clothes that I just tried on that are the issue, that I never style. So I'm gonna take those clothes that I tried on just now and try to make outfits with them. Everything else that's in my closet, I don't worry about. I know how to style those. It's those last like 20 pieces of clothes that I'm a little bit iffy on. So I'm gonna go and make some outfits with them and play around and talk a little bit about the app and show you like how I'm gonna use this to plan out my outfits. So I don't really think I'm a very fashionable person. I wear the same 3 or 4 silhouettes all the time, and I have like these pre-made outfits I always default to, but I feel like having the app and just kind of rediscovering everything that I had will give me some more outfits, and I don't even have to really buy things. I feel like I never play around and experiment with what I wear, so playing dress up in my own closet felt so nice, and I'm not super in love with all the outfits that I made. I feel like not all of them are my personal style, but it's super nice that I did it. And like whenever I would try something on, I would take a photo of it and go into the app and like make the outfit, like put the pieces together. And I love the idea of being able, when I'm bored, to just try on a bunch of clothes and then have this little like Rolodex of all these outfits, and I could tag them and stuff. And I feel like I would never do this if I didn't have the app, because I wouldn't know how to collect everything. I saw people taking photos and then making their own in their camera roll, and I feel like this is just an easier way to do it. So I'm super excited. Making like fashion videos is really out of my comfort zone, but I feel like it's something that I could end up really enjoying, and I just want to get better at it, so I might as well kind of try to bring you guys along on this journey of getting better at wearing my clothes. I feel like I just default to dressing like a little boy all the time, and I'm trying not to do that. So that's it for this video. I'm gonna keep using Acloset and then come back and do another video on it later. Let me know if you guys like this kind of content. I had fun filming it, and thank you. Bye bye.